Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to create variants to our product. It's quite easy, so let's buckle up and let's start with this video. So as you probably know, every product that you uploading or you are trying to sell can have variants here at Wix. For example, I'm selling running shoes, so obviously we can add variants to running shoes. We have a golf cap as well, so we about to change that as well. So what we need to do? We need to go to store products and then go to products as it is. My running shoes already have 22 variants, but golf cap doesn't. So let's click on the three dots on the far right next to a product and click on edit product. Once we're in here, this golf cap is already preloaded or pre-created by Wix. So I'm gonna go and change it to golf cap. Okay. Very comfortable, from best materials out there. Okay, best material, I mean, it's not gold or platinum. So what we have product info, return and refund policy, add info. Obviously you can add as many as you want, and we have product options, and I'm gonna click on product options. Size or weight, I'm gonna go with size. We can go with list or color, and with size we can go with S, M, L, XL. You can also go, well, it's a golf cap, so maybe we are looking for something like shape of your head, or I don't know, I'm not fluent in English, or I'm not born in English. I don't really know how it's like a roundabout around your head in centimeters, but let's pretend this is a shirt or something like that. So you can go with small, medium, large, and extra large. Those are the variants that we can use and we are going to add. So every time someone wants to order our golf cap, he can choose from 4 variants, and that's exactly what we aim for. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.